guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look. It's super easy for summer and it really doesn't take that much time at all, probably like 5 minutes. And then how I do my sleek back hair that I usually do every day in the summer. And then as well as showing you a really cute summer dress that I have. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I really hope you be part of this family. I post lots of fun videos just like this. So if you want to see more from me, then just keep on watching. The thing I'm going to do is apply my Mineral Sunsilk Cream. Just a little bit. Because you want to put SPF like all the time in the summer because you just never know when the sun's going to get to you. Body is much tanner than my face because I just put on my self tanner. I applied 2 layers with the Bondi Sands dry oil and I love it. And if you apply 2 coats, it gets you a darker tan. So I'm using my favorite summer tinted moisturizer right now. It's the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizing Illuminating in the shade Natural Radiance. And I don't want to add a lot. I want to keep this kind of like a light makeup tutorial. So just that much. And I'm going to apply this. Little dots like that. I'm gonna get closer. I feel like I should get closer. It looks like I'm painting on my face. This looks crazy. I'm gonna apply my concealer. This is the Maybelline New York, and I believe this is in Fair Claire. I apply like a little dot right here, little line, not a dot. And then right here, and then anywhere I have like a little blemish, so. Oh, that just came out of nowhere, so let's just cover that up. I don't like to apply too much concealer. I'm not about the life where you add like a ton. You know what I mean? And then I just dab it in with my finger. I use a beauty blender sometimes, but I just feel like it just gets like a little, I don't know, it just feels like it gets dirty and it makes my skin dirty, so I try not to use it unless I'm like really in a hurry blender, you know? Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to set it with my NYX setting powder. Oh my gosh, this is the most ratchet thing you'll ever see. It broke because I dropped it and I taped it back in like the little lid, and it won't stay taped, so that's a thing. I'm just gonna put my powder right here. I'm gonna take my bronzer, bronze up the face. Oh my god, my eyebrows. Okay, we're going back because these need help. I never wax my eyebrows anymore because they always take off too much, and I kind of just like the bushy, messy, I don't really give a crap about my eyebrows look, and I kind of like it, so why would I always do that? My eyebrow pencil is a little bit darker than I wanted it. This is supposed to be like a brown shade, but it looks black. And it looks really intense right now, but we're gonna blend it out. Okay. So we're still looking a bit dark. And then push it all up like that. And that's just how I do my eyebrows. Really simple. I don't have much hair on the sides, so I like to focus more on there. And then not so much on the front, except till I get more outlined and precise. I just dropped my mirror. That's lovely. Dang. I'm gonna be going into my bronzer. I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is the light bronzer. Applying a big brush, big powder brush, and just going like that. I also like to use it as blush. Something like that. This is the most simple, easy makeup look ever. I just feel like it's such, oh, I put powder on my neck and I just put tanner on my neck. Okay, let's pretend like I didn't do that. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take a little brush and contour my nose. Just like this. And then to like more increase it a little bit, I'm gonna take my big blending brush and blending it more up into my eyebrow, like that. And then back down here. That was such a cute face. And then right here it gives like a little shadow, so it looks more of like a pout. I'm gonna be going in with mascara. This is the Kush mascara. I've had this for like ever because it comes with so much. And it's adding a little bit. This is the St. Ives Prince Little Zinc Orange Mist. Moving on to my hair, I'm going to brush out and do a sleek, like slick back ponytail because most of the days I don't do anything to my hair really. I just don't like heat on my hair. I think it just looks better. This is my Perfect Smooth Hair Oil by Nature Lab Tokyo, and it's the color and heat protectant, and it's paraben free. And I'm dripping it everywhere. I need more. Like, I take a lot. Oh god, this was probably too much. Okay, now that the hair oil is in, I'm going to push all of this back. And my hair is so short right now. I'm trying to let it grow out a bit because I miss putting it in a ponytail. And having used these before, but they're supposed to not pull your hair out and it's supposed to not leave a crease either. So I'm gonna use that. Ooh, it's stretchy too. Okay, now that that's all done, like look how nice that is. Ooh. I'm gonna apply my little bobby pins because I have bangs, but I'm growing them out. So they're at that really awkward stage where they're just in the way all the time. So I need to pin this part of my hair back. Oh, I'm gonna use a bigger one on this side. And then I'm gonna use this little baby one. These are the only bobby pins I have. I don't know what happened to the rest of mine. But yeah, that's basically all I do for my hair. And then I'm gonna get some hairspray. I totally forgot it, but I add some hairspray just so my bangs don't move on the sides. If I didn't have bangs, I wouldn't do that, but since I do, I am going to slick them back a little bit. So for my outfit, I'm wearing this really pretty dress. This is from Naked Zebra LA. It's like a neon orange, really cute. It has ruffles at the top. It's very loose and flowy. I also have a coupon code for you guys, so I'll put it right here. You know, you can get 25% off your order. Totally recommend that this brand is so cute and perfect for summer. And they have really cute dresses just like this, if this isn't really your style. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this, and I just partnered it with this little vintage bag I got. It's a little white shoulder bag, so cute. And then for shoes, I have, I'm just gonna take off my shoe and show you all. It is these like really old looking Adidas sneakers. I'm really into the sneaker trend, but I only have like a really pair of old Adidas, so I'm working with what I have right now. But yeah, I think it actually looks really cute with the outfit. It gives it kind of like a casual look, but I'm obsessed with this outfit. So cute, guys. And then it comes down to about, I think it sits right on the top of my knee. So if you're really short, that's probably how long their dresses will fit you. But I'm actually really okay with it because it's still so cute. And I'm just like, this color is everything. I'm just like feeling myself, sorry. But I'm obsessed with this color, like stop, it's so cute. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was super fun to make. I'm obsessed with that orange dress and this makeup look and this hairstyle. And I really hope you all will like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.